You work remotely, just chill on your balcony, and every day you look out and you see this. It's good. Yo, what up with it, guys? So we have made it to Saranda, first full day. It's a little bit rainy, but sun's starting to peek out, so we're gonna go take a look around. We're gonna take you with us, and we're gonna see what you think. I think it's gonna be a nice day. It looks like there's some sun breaking through the clouds, so let's go check out Saranda. Alright, so the place we're trying to eat downstairs is not open. It's a little confusing where the restaurant itself is, but we're gonna go see if we can find it. Looks like it's upstairs. First impressions of Saranda, rainy. Nice bay, but rainy. The bay is beautiful though. Alright, let's go see if we can get some grub.
Alright guys, so what did you think about the food?
I don't usually shout out a place unless it's really exceptional, and this place was pretty exceptional. Like, the quality of the food was really, really good. Pretty standard, very cheap breakfast prices. It reminds me a little bit of a place in Tirana called Iona. They're very like similar, like good quality kind of cafe breakfast for like $1 to $3 a plate. I was pretty happy with it. They're blasting hip hop music, but it's Albania, so who cares? And smoking, but that's everywhere here, really. I don't think it's avoidable. If the place is busy, people are going to be smoking. What did you think of the food?
Oh, I thought the food was great. I had the yogurt and fresh fruit, and the yogurt was so creamy, and it was like fresh fruits with tangerines and apples and chia seeds and pomegranate, and it was $3 US. It was just really amazing.
Yeah, nice quality cafe food. So yeah, I'll shout them out. Check them out. They're worth it.
Okay, so out of, what is it, 5 Joe Biden heads? What do you guys think?
Oh man, maybe it's hard to give anything a 5.
I'd say 4. 4.3.
4.3, 4.5.
Okay, 4.5, and
I'm being generous. Like, the hip hop was really commercial.
I'm saying 4.3 because the smoking was like really heavy.
But you can't do nothing about that. It's Albania, guys. Like, anywhere you go,
and
just,
the music was very loud. But the food was good.
Yeah, I wasn't fucking with some new school commercial hip hop. Sorry.
Yeah. But definitely check this place out, guys.
So we're in Saranda trying to get our teeth into this place. It makes the top of a lot of digital Nomad lists. So we're gonna go see if it's everything it's cracked up to be. So far, my first impression is it's nice, but it's a bit underwhelming. I can see why people would like this, and I can see why people who have kids would like this. But if you were young and single, I would think this is not that exciting. But again, summertime's really different. But you gotta bear in mind, summertime's gonna be the time of year where your costs are gonna be the highest. So the more practical time for living down here is gonna be kind of off season. You know, especially if you need to sign a long-term lease, you wanna try to get it around this time of year. So we're gonna walk around and we're gonna see if it really is the digital nomad heaven that it's supposed to be, or if it's, you know, there's better destinations in Albania. I gotta be honest, so far, I really was impressed with Vlora City. It was really, really nice. It is a lot bigger than this, but let's see, maybe there's a lot of things in Saranda to discover, man. We'll go find out.
Hey guys, so we're just in Saranda on this pier thing, but check out the view. It's amazing.
What's up, guys? So I'm starting to get it as I look at the housing stock and this waterfront over here. Where we were staying is a little bit on the outskirts, so I was like, oh, okay, well, it just kind of seemed a little bit industrial. We were behind the port. Now that I'm getting more into this waterfront area, I'm starting to get it more. The housing stock is dope. This waterfront housing stock, especially if you can get it off season and you can get a lease before you know, the summer comes around, because I'm sure there's going to be people who are willing to sign a lease. If you can do a long term, this seems like it would be the best, because come summertime, this place gets ridiculous. Like, you could be spending a lot just a night, let alone a month. And there is still going to be apartments. I think if you go a little further from the beach, you definitely still be able to get accommodation. But I could see, man, if you could get yourself locked into one of these like close to waterfront units and get yourself locked into like a year lease, I could see why people would really like this. I mean, even if you were a few blocks away, you still be up the hills, so you still have this nice view. It's just the way the whole city seems to be set up. So no, I'm really definitely getting it. You know, you work remotely, just chill on your balcony, and every day you look out and you see this. It's good. I mean, I'm a little more of a city boy. That's why I picked Tirana. I felt like I could do more in terms of networking, but you know, I can arrange apartments down here. We can help you out with pretty much everything, since our Albanian partners, they have reach in almost every major city in the country, and Saranda is a major market, so that's workable as well. Let us know. But yeah, I'm gonna probably come back down here and try to even get myself more contacts down here, because this is a nice spot, guys. I think at this time of year it's pretty dead, but I do see its value 100%. Again, we're staying behind the port, so I don't know. This just looks a lot better to me. This I could see, especially at a low cost of living, why this would be so nice, you know? What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.